Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George.
I want to go to space. Once upon a time, there was a little bear named Pebby. He was full of curiosity about everything. One night, he pointed to the stars in the sky and asked his father, "Dad, what is flashing in the sky? I want to see it." Dad answered, "There is space, quite far away from us." The little bear was excited. "Dad, I want to go to the space." Dad said, "Silly Pebby, maybe you can try." Pebby climbed over the ladder, but the ladder was too short to go to the sky. He thought, "I have to go to a higher place." So he climbed up a mountain with the clouds floating around it. And he jumped happily. Accidentally, he fell from the top of the mountain to the rapid water. Pepe woke up on the beach and met an astronaut. He asked him, "Can you take me to the space?" The astronaut said, "Of course." Pepe was so happy, and they went to space by the rocket and finally made his dream true.